Ever landed in a new country, excited to explore, only to realize your usual payment methods aren't quite cutting it? You've got your local currency, maybe a credit card, but what about those convenient local apps everyone seems to be using? Specifically, if you're traveling through Southeast Asia, you've probably heard of Grab. It's the ultimate super app, offering everything from ride-hailing and food delivery to package services. But then the big question hits: can I, a foreigner, actually use Grabpay? It's a valid concern, and one that can make or break your seamless travel experience. Imagine being able to pay for your Grab ride, your delicious street food, or even groceries, all through one app, without fumbling for cash or worrying about exchange rates on every transaction. That's the promise of Grabpay. But is that promise extended to international visitors? Let's dive in and demystify the process. The short answer is yes. Generally, foreigners can use the Grab app and its associated services, including Grabpay, but with some nuances and considerations. Grab operates in several Southeast Asian countries like Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, the Philippines, Thailand, and Vietnam, and it's designed to be user-friendly for both locals and tourists. For basic services like booking rides or ordering food, you can typically use your foreign mobile number to register for the Grab app. You will then have the option to pay for these services using linked international credit or debit cards. This is often the easiest way for tourists to get started, as it bypasses the need to set up a local e-wallet immediately. However, be aware that foreign transaction fees from your bank might apply when using your international card. Now, let's talk about the Grabpay wallet itself, which is where things get a little more specific. The Grabpay wallet allows you to top up a balance and use it for various cashless transactions, often earning rewards points in the process. The eligibility to fully activate and utilize a Grabpay wallet, especially a premium one with higher limits, can depend on the country and its local regulations. For instance, in some countries, you might need to undergo a Know Your Customer (KYC) verification process, which could require local identification or proof of residence for a full-featured wallet. This is to comply with financial regulations and enhance security. For short-term visitors, a basic wallet might be issued, or you might find that certain advanced features are restricted. However, even if you can't get a full-fledged Grabpay wallet, you can still link your foreign credit or debit cards directly to the Grab app and use them for most of the services. When you choose Grabpay as a payment option, it will simply charge your linked card. Some users also report success by adding a low-cost international debit card, like a Wise card, to avoid excessive foreign transaction fees when paying in local currencies through Grab. It's also important to note that while the Grab app itself is designed for cross-border use, any preloaded Grabpay balance you have in one country's currency might not be directly transferable or usable in another. For example, a Malaysian ringgit balance on your Grabpay wallet won't automatically convert and be usable in Thailand for Thai baht transactions. In such cases, you'd typically need to either pay with cash, a linked international card, or top up a new Grabpay balance in the local currency if that option is available to foreigners. So, while using Grab for ride-hailing and food delivery as a foreigner is generally straightforward with your international cards, leveraging the full functionalities of the Grabpay wallet might require a bit more understanding of local requirements. Always check the specific Grab Help Center for the country you're visiting for the most up-to-date and accurate information on foreigner eligibility for Grabpay wallet features. It's a fantastic app to have in your travel toolkit, offering immense convenience across Southeast Asia. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.